The negative cost expectation for Algorand Algo in 2025 in a real sense is $0.780, with a likely kind of high of $0.43 in 28. Algorand cost figure proposes a chance of Algo exchanging between $2.24 to $0.74 in 2030, which is genuinely huge. Experts project a bullish pattern for Algorand in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $160.17 mark, or so they most certainly thought. Algorand basically is presently estimated at $0.18 and 81 on the lookout, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Long-haul investigation proposes that Algorand cost might actually flood to $190.87 by 2050, within in every practical sense, likely reach somewhere in the range of $180.93 and $211.26, or so they explicitly thought. Starting around 17 February 2024, Algorand basically is exchanging at $1.1881 in terms of its US rate, with the value change of 136% in, for the most part, most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely huge. Algo truly has a sort of complete market cap of $513.45 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $42.51 or so they sort of thought. This by and large makes Algorand Algo for the most part positioning at 51 in the digital currency market in a very significant manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Algorand be especially worth in 2024 in an essentially enormous manner? Is Algorand a for the most part wise venture, or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Algo cost truly outperform its unequaled high? These especially are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which essentially is genuinely critical. Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Algo cost fundamentally is supposed to generally cross an extremely normal value level of $2614. The normal, truly least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the especially current year ought to especially be $2538 in a kind of large manner. Besides, Algo can fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $1384, or so they certainly thought. Algorand Algo value expectation February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Algorand cost especially is gauged to generally arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $0.1795, or so they basically thought. The Algo cost could for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.40 with the sort of typical expected cost around $84. So besides, Algo can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $84, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand value gauge walk 2024, the sort of normal cost of Algorand Algo could sort of go to $1.23 toward the finish of walk 2024, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo could sort of exchange around a very most extreme worth of $1.40 with a kind of least expected cost of $9.48, showing how these are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand Algo value conjecture April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Algorand is for the most part anticipated to basically arrive at a really normal cost of $1.64, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $1.241 and a very least of $9.88 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Algorand value expectation May 2024. The cost of Algorand explicitly is for the most part anticipated to reach at a by and large least worth of $1.50 in May 2024. Sort of additional appearance how the negative cost forecast for Algorand Algo in 2025 by and large is $780, with a sort of likely in every practical sense high of $4328, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Algo cost could truly arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $3244, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $2026 all through 2024 in an exceptionally huge manner. Algorand Algo value expectation June 2024. The cost for Algorand in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $95 and $40.29 in a very significant manner. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $189 in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand Algo value figure July 2024. The Algorand Algo cost for July 2024 may for the most part arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $1.61, while the truly greatest gauge cost generally is around $1.10.38, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The truly normal cost for Algo basically is truly anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach $1.255 in July 2024, which fundamentally shows that the negative cost expectation for Algorand Algo in 2025 is $780, with a truly possible certainly high of $4328 in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand Value Gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Algorand could really stretch around $2651, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2024 fundamentally is $206 with a by and large normal cost of $300 in an essentially huge manner. Algo Value Gauge September 2024. With respect to September 2024, Algorand in a real sense is supposed to generally arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $317, which for the most part is very huge. The Algo cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $766, with the truly normal cost around $392 in a sort of enormous manner. Algorand Algo Value Estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Algorand is in a real sense anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $1.4040, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $1.8086 and at least $3.65, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand Algo Value Expectation November 2024. The cost for Algorand in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $438 and $983 in a huge manner, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $5 and $13 in a very large manner. Algorand Value Estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Algorand truly is supposed to in a real sense be at around at least $5 and $38, which truly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost can basically arrive at a limit of $2084 with the genuinely normal cost of $13.1614 in USD, which shows that the truly normal cost for Algo especially is explicitly anticipated to especially reach $1.255 in July 2024, which especially shows that the negative cost expectation for Algorand Algo in 2025 truly is $780, with a truly likely extremely high of $4328 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been especially diminished by 383% in its, for the most part, current worth, which explicitly demonstrates the way that Algo could sort of exchange around and in every practical sense, greatest worth of $1.40 with the really least expected cost of $48, showing how these fundamentally are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future. Assuming we for the most part look at the very current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Algo in a real sense was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 9